In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account in Payoneer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to enter your details confidently so your withdrawals go to the right place. Start by opening your browser and searching for Payoneer. When the results appear, make sure you're heading to the official site. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the correct domain to avoid phishing pages. Click through to the official homepage. Next, log in to your account. Enter your credentials only on the secure login page and complete any security checks that appear. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private window and avoid saving passwords there for your safety. Once you're in, go to the top navigation menu and select Manage. This is where Payoneer groups settings that control how you receive and withdraw your funds. From there, choose the section labeled Bank Accounts for Withdrawal. This is different from receiving accounts. We're focusing specifically on the bank details used when you take money out of Payoneer. Click Add Bank Account. You're not removing anything here. You're telling Payoneer where you want withdrawals to go going forward. Adding a new account is the cleanest way to update your payout destination. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your new bank details. Typical fields include the country and currency of the account, the bank name, the account holder's name, and your account number or IBAN. Depending on your country, you may also need a routing number, sort code, or SWIFT BIC. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your bank documents. A few tips here. Make sure the account holder name matches the name on your Payoneer profile to avoid verification issues. Choose the correct currency for the account to prevent conversion surprises, and double-check every digit, especially long IBANs. If Payoneer asks for supporting documents such as a bank statement or a letter from your bank, upload clear, unedited copies as prompted. Before you finish, review everything carefully on the summary screen. Confirm the bank name, numbers, and currency one more time. When you're confident it's accurate, click Add Bank Account. You should see a confirmation that your new bank account has been added. In some cases, Payoneer may take a short time to review and approve it. You'll be notified if anything else is needed. That's it. The next time you withdraw funds, select your newly added bank account at checkout. Keep your details up to date and always verify you're on the official Payoneer site for a smooth, secure experience.